Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you what I did in the evening, and also I'm going to cover a recipe of ragi appam. Very good for your health. It's full of fiber. If you are following diet, you can try this recipe. It's very simple and it's get a delicious, yummy, spongy ragi appam. So I'll share this recipe in this video, and also I picked some orange. This is a sour orange from my garden, and I'll show you how I use this as a drink. Let's get into the video. Before that, if you are watching Nageshwari's kitchen for the first time and if you are not subscribed to Nageshwari's kitchen, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get into the video.
So we're going to be picking the flowers. So we're going to be picking these ones too because tomorrow they're going to grow. Shush, be quiet.
என்னடா பண்ற?
Picking the chili.
Okay. Got some chilies. We are picking all those. I actually left it to get until the red color chili to ripe it because I want to use it for one of the recipe.
Ravi, can you be quiet?
Huh?
Is it chili or tomato?
சாப்பிட்டு பார் தெரியும்.
I'm just going to cut and see if I have seeds. It's a chili. அது எதுக்கு? சாமிக்கா. சரி. So we're growing a lot of oranges, but there's too much and we're too busy, so we can't pick them. So we're going to pick them today.
Take out all the juice. You can use lemon also.
If you want lemon juice.
It's going to be the same because my orange is
Sour like lemon.
side. Yeah, same. So juice is ready. You can add salt if you don't like to add sugar. I'm adding sugar.
You can add salt if you like.
So I'm going to add soda. You can add plain water also. The soda will taste good. Mix it. It's ready.
So I'm going to test how tasty this is.
Is it sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Sweet? You like it?
Yeah.
So I'm finishing off all my oranges like this. This drink is really awesome.
And healthy.
Yes. Take a mixer jar.
Thank God.
Add 1 cup of fresh coconut. Add 1 cup of cooked rice. Add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Grind this into a fine paste. Add 1 cup of water, then you can grind this. Now the grinding is done. This is only half done. We are going to add the ragi flour. This is 2 cups of ragi flour. Add some water and grind this into a fine paste. The batter is ready. To this add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it with your hand. This helps to ferment the batter. Mix it without any lumps. Make sure you have enough space because it's going to ferment. Keep this aside for at least 8 hours. I'm going to prepare this appam tomorrow. I'll show you how to prepare that as well. I prepared this last night. I'm going to check in the morning now. It's fermented really well. So it's ready to make appam. It should be a pouring consistency, not too thick and not too thin. Should be like this. So I'm preparing with this appam pan. If you don't have this, you can even use the flat appam pan as well. Close the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Then the ragi appam will be ready. Let's check. It's looking great. Before we take out, just add some ghee. Ghee and ragi flour combination is always awesome. You can take out as like with your hand itself. It's easy to take out. Isn't it looking great? I'm going to try taro this time in my garden, and I have seen one of the YouTube video how to sprout this. Can you see? It's already sprouted. So I purchased these taros from Asian shop. I just collected all of them in this garlic bag. You can use the garlic bag or the fruits bag, anything you can use. I've just kept around 15 taros in this bag. What you have to do, just cover it like this and keep this in the cupboard for at least 2 to 3 days. Then the sprouts will come. I was surprised when I saw these sprouts are coming up from this vegetable. I'm really happy to see this. I'm going to plant this in this weekend, and I hope this will grow nicely, and I will update in my future videos how this growth of these taros. If you want to try taro in your garden, try this. I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video. Bye.